In this video, I will show you 4 easy steps on how I am promoting affiliate links on Instagram for free and how you can do the same. So watch the full video till the end. So the first step is you need to find an affiliate product to promote. So there are 3 main categories of products that you can choose. First one is high paying low volume affiliate programs. Second one is low paying high volume affiliate programs. And third one is high ticket affiliate programs, which is my favorite affiliate programs to promote. So the first is high paying low volume affiliate programs. So these affiliate programs pay high commissions. So for example, ClickFunnels that pays 40% commissions with products from $97 to $297. So if you don't know what ClickFunnels is, then ClickFunnels is a software that allows you to build funnels. And if you promote ClickFunnels as an affiliate, then ClickFunnels will pay you 40% commissions with the products of $97 and $297. And the second one is low paying high volume affiliate programs. So these affiliate programs pay lower commissions but have a mass interest. So for example, Amazon. So Amazon have an affiliate program that pays 5% to 10% commission on every product. So if you are an Amazon affiliate and you will get a unique link, and if someone click on that link and purchase anything from Amazon, then you will get a 5% to 10% commission on every product. So 5 to 10% commission is not a very big commission, but lots of people are interested in buying from Amazon. So it's very easy for you as an affiliate to sell Amazon product. That's why this type of affiliate programs pay low commission but have a mass interest. And the third type of affiliate programs are high ticket affiliate programs, which is my favorite affiliate programs to promote because these affiliate programs pay high commissions and also have a massive interest. So for example, Legendary Marketer affiliate program that pays 40% commission on high ticket products. So if you don't know what Legendary Marketer is, then Legendary Marketer gives people online marketing education and show people how they can make money online as a freelance digital marketer or affiliate marketer. So right now I'm promoting Legendary Marketer, and Legendary Marketer pays me 40% commission on high ticket product. Means Legendary Marketer have a high ticket products like a $2,000 or $3,000 product. And if someone purchase that product, then I will get a $1,000 commission. So these type of affiliate programs have a value ladder that allows you to make more commissions on the back end. So now I will show you Legendary Marketer website and explain that why Legendary Marketer is the best affiliate program to promote. So this is the Legendary Marketer website, and Legendary Marketer gives people online marketing education and show them how they can make money online as an affiliate marketer or freelance digital marketer. And the creator and CEO of Legendary Marketer, Dave Sharp, he has a 9 year of digital marketing experience, and he founded 3 multi-million-dollar companies from scratch, and he already educated over 500,000 entrepreneurs worldwide, and he is one of the masterminds of this industry. So if you are a beginner affiliate marketer and if you don't know how to do affiliate marketing the right way, you don't have any good affiliate program to promote, then I highly recommend you to start with Legendary Marketer because of the 2 reasons. First, Legendary Marketer gives people great affiliate marketing education and show you that how you can make money online as a freelance digital marketer. And the second thing is, if you want to promote Legendary Marketer as an affiliate, then Legendary Marketer have a great affiliate program that will allow you to earn high ticket commissions without selling any high ticket product by yourself, because Legendary Marketer have a great value ladder as well as a great sales team that will promote high ticket products to your audience, and if someone purchases, then you will get a commission. So that's how you can make $1,000 per sale without selling any high ticket product by yourself. And if you already have a product to promote, then no worries, because the method which I'm going to show you in this video will work on any product. Now in a step 2, I will show you how you can promote affiliate links on Instagram Reels for free. So right now Instagram Reels are in high demand, and if you create Instagram Reels, then you can get thousands and even millions of views on your reels. And reels are very easy to create because reels are only 30 to 60-second videos, and it's very easy to create. So now I will show you 4 easy steps that you need to follow while creating Instagram reels so you can go viral on Instagram. So the first is you need to find 10 people on the same niche that you are in and follow them. So suppose right now you are in affiliate marketing niche, so you need to find 10 people on the affiliate marketing niche. Then step 2 is you need to find their 10 to 20 top performing pieces of content. So just go into their account and find that top reels that got thousands and even millions of views. Then the third thing is you need to recreate those content. So don't copy word by word, just model that content and add your own twist on it, and focus on their hook, story and offer that I will show you later in this video. And the fourth and most important step is you need to repeat these steps over and over again, because if you are not consistent, then you will never grow on Instagram. So right now I will show you my actual Instagram account and show you that which type of content that I'm creating on Instagram. So you can see here, this is my Instagram reel account and I'm creating a lots of reels on Instagram. You can see here, I'm creating a lots of reels and I'm also getting a lots of views on my reels. So now I will show you one of my Instagram reel and then I will explain that how I'm using hook, story and offer framework to create my reels. So as I told you before, right now I'm promoting Legendary Marketer Affiliate Program, and Legendary Marketer teaches people affiliate marketing. So I know that my audience is interested in affiliate marketing, or they want to make money online, or they want to start some type of side hustle. That's why I'm creating a reels on Instagram to attract those kind of people. So right now I will show you one of my Instagram reel as an example, and then I will explain that how I'm using hook, story and offer formula. So now you will watch one of my Instagram reel. So you already watched my reel. Now I will show you that how I am using hook, story and offer formula. So at the beginning of this video, I write that 5 reasons to start affiliate marketing today. So this is my hook, because I know that my audience is interested in affiliate marketing, right? So that's why I created this hook, that 5 reasons to start affiliate marketing today. And the first 3 seconds of your video is very important. If you can grab your audience attention in the first 3 seconds, then your audience will watch your video till the end. So in my hook, I write 5 reasons to start affiliate marketing today. And then in a story, I explain that the first reason is be your own boss. Second one is earn passive income. Third one is work from home. Fourth one is time and location freedom. And the last one is spend time with your loved ones. So now I explain people that if you want to do all of these things, then you need to start affiliate marketing today. Because I know that my audience wants to work from home. My audience wants to be their own boss. And my audience wants to earn passive income. So if you want to do all of these things, then you need to start affiliate marketing today. And at the end of this reel, I give people call to action that if you want my free affiliate marketing case study, then check the link in my bio. Because I know that if my audience is interested in affiliate marketing, then they are also interested in getting my free affiliate marketing case study. So this is the simple framework that you need to use to create all of your Instagram reels. So suppose you are promoting a different product. Suppose you are in a health niche and right now you are promoting a product that can help your audience to lose their weight. So you need to create a hook, story and offer according to that product. So now in a step 3, I will show you how you can create a bridge page funnel to build your email list. So as I show you before that, right now I'm driving traffic by creating Instagram reels for free. So in all of my Instagram reels, at the end, I give people call to action that if you want to get my free affiliate marketing case study, then check the link in my bio. So once someone click the link in my bio, then they go to this page. So this is the first page of my funnel, which is called landing page. And the main purpose of this page is to capture people's email address. So here I write free affiliate marketing case study reveals our entire affiliate marketing business that allowed us to earn commissions while we are sleeping without any experience creating products, carrying inventory or dealing with customers. So if someone wants to get my free affiliate marketing case study, then they click here in the button. And once they click here, then I will ask for their name and email address. And once they enter their name and email address, then they go to this page. So this is the second page of my funnel, which is called the bridge page. And here in this page, I have a small video that will show people that how you can get access of my case study. And later in this video, I will explain about the product that I am promoting. I talk about the creator of Legendary Marketer and show people that how Legendary Marketer training will help you to make money online as a freelance digital marketer. And if you want to know more about Legendary Marketer, then click the button below this video. So if someone click this button, then they go to the sales page of Legendary Marketer. And once they purchase a Legendary Marketer 15-day business builder challenge for $7, then I will get a little $2 commission. So that's how I make my first little commission. And once someone purchases a 15-day business builder challenge, then Legendary Marketer sales team will introduce them more high ticket courses like $2,000 and $5,000 courses. And if someone decide to purchase that step-by-step course, then I will get a $1,000 commission without selling any high ticket product by yourself. That's why Legendary Marketer is a best affiliate program to promote. So in my landing page, I already captured their name and email address. So then I will follow up with them with automated email sequence and talk about Legendary Marketer over and over again. Because not all the people who would come to this page will purchase a 15-day business builder challenge for the first time. Only 2 to 3 people will purchase at the first time. That's why using email automation, I follow up with my audience and recommend Legendary Marketer over and over again. So eventually in future, they will buy legendary marketer and I will get a commission. Now in a step 4, I will show you how you can create an email automation to follow up with your leads. So your email is the most important asset of your online business because you own your email list. If you are creating a content on Instagram, but what happens if Instagram will ban your account, Facebook will ban your account, you will lose everything. But if you have your email list, then no one will take the email list from you. That is why your email list is your most important asset of your online business. An email list is like printing money. So money is in the list. And if you have more emails is equals to you have a more income. And the most important reason to build an email list is to build a relationship with your audience. So you need to build a strong relationship with your email subscribers. Because if your email subscribers will not trust you, then they will never buy anything that you recommend to them. So by using your email automation, you need to build a trust with your audience. And on average, one email subscriber is equals to $1 to $3 every single month. So if you have a one email list into your database, then you can make at least $1 per month. If you have 1,000 people in your email list, then you can make at least $1,000 per month. And if you have a 10,000 people in your email list, then you can make at least $10,000 per month. So this is the power of email list. And the main purpose of your email automation is to solve people's objection, provide them an additional trainings, and show them other people's social proof. So right now I'm promoting legendary marketer, but my audience have a confusion that is legendary marketer legit or not, and how legendary marketer will help me to solve my problem, and legendary marketer helps other people to solve the problem or not. So my audience have a lots of objections, and as an affiliate marketer, my job is to remove their objection. So if I can remove all of their objection, then they don't have any choice instead of purchase the product that I'm promoting. So now I will show you my actual email automation sequence and explain that how you need to remove your people's objection. So this is the software that I'm using to create my funnel as well as my email automation. And this software is 100% free until you have a 2000 email subscribers into a list. So if you are a new affiliate marketer, then I highly recommend you to start with this software. Because in a free plan, you will get access of all the tools inside the software. If you want to check out this software, then check the link in the description below. So now if I go to email and click on campaign, so I have a campaign called Legendary Marketer Case Study, and inside that campaign I have a 23 pre-written emails. So if someone entered their name and email address into my landing page, then they will get a 23 pre-written emails, each email per day. So once I click here, you will see I have a lots of pre-written emails. And inside my first email, I give people access of my free affiliate marketing case study that I promise them in all of my reels. So if someone open this email, then inside the email, I have one link that click here to get access of the case study. And if someone click here, then they go to this page. So in this page, they can get access of my free affiliate marketing case study. So it's a 40-minute long case study. And in that video, I explain everything that I'm doing inside my affiliate marketing business and earning commissions. And if you are also beginner affiliate marketer, then I highly recommend you to get access of my free affiliate marketing case study. Because inside the case study, I will show you everything that I'm doing inside my affiliate marketing business. I will show you which product I'm promoting. I will show you my actual funnel, and I will show you my email sequence, everything. So if you want to get access of my free affiliate marketing case study, then check the link in the description below. So I have a lots of emails, and I told you before that the main purpose of your email automation is to remove people's objection, give them additional trainings, and show them other people's social proof. So you can see here in this email, I show people that proof is legendary marketer legit. So if someone open this email, then here I talk about the creator of legendary marketer, Dave Sharp. He featured in Entrepreneur magazine, and Entrepreneur is a very popular magazine. So if he got a chance to feature in this magazine, then legendary marketer is definitely not a scam. Because my audience have a confusion that is legendary marketer legit or not. That's why I removed their objection by showing them that the creator of legendary marketer, Dave Sharp, he featured in Entrepreneur magazine. So that is why legendary marketer is a legit product. And if you want to start, then click here. And if someone click here, then they go to the sales page of legendary marketer, and once they purchase, I will get a commission. And in my other email, I write proof affiliate marketing works. So if someone open this email, then inside the email, I give people a base strategy for beginners. And if someone click on the button, then they will come to this page. So in this page, I give people a proof that legendary marketer helps other people to make money online. So I took this screenshot from the legendary marketer Facebook group. And here you can see inside the Facebook group, people post that I make my first ever commission. So this guy made his first ever commission by taking the training from legendary marketer. You can see here, this woman says the only direction is up, celebrating my first commission with LM means legendary marketer. So you can see here, people are getting commissions by taking the training from legendary marketer. You can see here, this guy earned $1,050 in just one day by promoting legendary marketer. Because I told you before that legendary marketer have a great value ladder that will allow you to earn high ticket commissions without selling any high ticket product by yourself. So that's how I'm telling my audience that the people who got the training from legendary marketer right now they are earning their first commission. So if you also want to start, then click here. And once they click the button, they go to the sales page of legendary marketer, and here they watch the short presentation from Dev Shah. And once they decide to purchase the 15-day business builder challenge, then I will get a commission. So if I remove all of the objection of my audience, then they will definitely purchase a legendary marketer and I will get a commission. So if you just follow these 4 simple steps that I show you in this video, then you will definitely promote your affiliate links on Instagram for free. And now if you have any question related to this video, then comment below this video and I will definitely give you reply back. And if you want to get instant access of my free affiliate marketing case study, then check the link in the description below. See you in the next video.